Hi, Amy here, and today I want to share a few reasons why you should consider incorporating worksheets into your content or content marketing plan. Worksheets are really highly in demand by people, and with worksheets, it's basically statements, prompts, or questions that people respond to. And that makes them really interactive and very helpful in terms of helping people move to the next level of just passively consuming content or information. And what's great about worksheets is you can create them in pretty much any niche: health, self help, business, romance. They pretty much work in any niche where you have content. And what's great about them is that they really help people learn and retain the information that they've actually read. That's why educators and teachers use worksheets so much in the classroom. It just helps people figure out what are the main points, what are the important takeaways that they need to apply. It also helps simplify complex topics. With the worksheets, it helps people identify what is the most important out of what they've just read or they've just watched or what they've learned, so they can focus on those main topics. It also teaches problem-solving skills. So people can apply critical thinking to the problem. So for example, let's say that somebody has been thinking about changing jobs, and then they have a worksheet that will walk them through the steps of determining whether they should leave their job or not. So that can help them solve that problem instead of staying in a place where maybe they don't know what to do. And once they've done that, it really helps them improve their confidence so they can find more of a clear direction about where they're going to be doing and what they're going to be doing as far as the next step. And then they can, of course, take action, because once they've figured out some clarity around their problem, the topic, or the situation, the worksheet can help them think about concrete ways that they can actually accomplish their goals. So if you're interested in being able to create worksheets fast and easy, I want to recommend my Q Content Composer tool. It is a drag and drop tool that allows you to simply select out of hundreds of prompts and create worksheets fast and easy. And I will include the link here on the description.